said to my wife before, I don't suspect there is only one place to do it. Difficult to see the other boats, the dolphins.
Mm.
Only to get right.
You were right.
Yes, yes, yes. The truth is, I don't expect to do here. The dolphins are there.
Oh, really?
After about 1 kilometer from here. So this is when I tell the boat.